I'm Nirale Vaghela. Today I'm going to present mythology in modern literature, my academic information, table of content, research question. How does mythology influence modern literature and in what ways do contemporary authors reinterpret mythological themes to reflect modern concern? Hypothesis. Mythology continues to shape modern literature by providing foundational narrative and archetypes that authors reinterpret to address contemporary social, psychological, and philosophical themes. The adaptation of mythological elements allow writers to explore universal human experience while reshaping traditional myths to fit modern context. Introduction. The term mythology originated from the term myth originated from Greek mythos, meaning a definitive statement about reality. Types of myths. Uh, Theogonic myth explain the origin of gods. Cosmogonic myths describe the creation of the universe. Anthropogenic myths address human creation. Astral and meteorological myths explain celestic and natural phenomena. Transformation myths deal with change in the world, often caused by divine intervention. Uh, Soteriological myths focus on salvation and redemption. Ecological myths concern the end of time and final judgment. Evolution of the mythology. 18th century thinkers viewed myth as a product of human imagination and emotion. Romantics show myth as a fundamental to civilization. 19th century scholars developed comparative mythology and psychological interpretation. 20th century theories include Freud's idea of myth as a repressed desire and Jung's concept of archetypes. Greek mythology. Greek mythology is a collection of the uh, gods and legend. And the major figures in the Greek mythology is Zeus, Poseidon, Apollo, Cupid, and the theme exploration of Greek mythology is fate and human relationship with mortals, and God's relationship with mortals, and mm, uh, influence of Greek mythology in literature. Till we have faces by C.S. Lewis and Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. Eugene O'Neill's Morning Become Electra, T.S. Eliot's The Wasteland, James Joyce's Ulysses. Norse mythology. And Norse mythology is a tree of non-real like Asgard, Midgard, and Hel. And the major figures in the Norse mythology is Odin, Thor, and Loki. And the Norse mythology explore themes of theme like fate and heroism, and and uh, the major myth in the Norse mythology is Ragnarok. Influence of Norse mythology in literature. Tolkien's The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings, and the Marvel's movie Thor. Egyptian mythology. Egyptian mythology is a collection of ancient Egyptian stories, and the major figures in the Egyptian story is Ra, Orisis, Isis, and Seth. And Egyptian mythology focus on afterlife, and mm, and Egyptian mythology tells story that world is created by none. And influences of the Egyptian mythology in literature. The Ken Chronicles by Rick Riordan, Ancient Evening by Norman Mailer, That Comes as the End by Agatha Christie, River God by Wilbur Smith, The Egyptologist by Arthur Phillips. Chinese mythology. Chinese mythology prominent feature water gods and Chinese mythology as a theme, yin and yang, is symbolized as darkness and light. In normal life, the good in bad and bad in good. And influence of Chinese mythology in literature, journey to the west and the investiture of the gods. Japanese mythology is explain Shinto and Buddhism, and the main figures in the Japanese mythology is Japanese mythology story is like two figures, Inzami and Inzagi, and their daughter Amaterasu, and they created a world. And the Japanese mythologies uh, uh, themes like fate and Japanese mythology is influenced by uh, novel, anime, manga, and films. Influence of Japanese mythology in literature. Shadow of the Fox by Julie Kagawa. The Goddess Chronicle by Natsuo Kirino. Storm Dancer by J. Christoph. Indian mythology. Indian mythology is hmm, uh, Indian mythology is a collection of the Indian gods and legends. And in Indian mythology, there is Trimurti like mm, creator, preserver, and destroyer. And recorded texts of Indian mythology like Vedas and Mahabharata, Ramayana. Uh, and the themes of exploration by Indian mythology is karma, dharma, and liberation. Influence of Indian mythology in literature. Siddhartha by Herman Hesse. 18 Day by Grant Morris. Avatar film by James Cameron. Shikhandi and Other Tales They Don't Tell You by Devdutt Patnaik. Conclusion. Mythology remains a vital influence on modern literature, providing timeless themes, archetypes, and narratives that authors reshape to address contemporary issues. From Greek and Norse mythology to Egyptian and Indian legends, this ancient story continue to inspire new interpretation across various genres. By blending mythology with modern perspective, writers preserve cultural heritage while exploring universal human experience, ensuring that myth remain relevant and meaningful in the today's storyline. Resources. Thank you. Any question?
So, as you have dealt with various mythologies, so my question for you is, what are the similarities between Greek mythology and Indian mythology?
The similarity between Indian mythology and Greek mythology is Greek figures like Zeus and Indian figures like Indra. They both have same power, thunder, and in Greek, Poseidon and Indian Varun, and Greek and Indian Yamras. Like eh, they, they they same have power, and in both mythology, gods and legends are same, and the epics are same, similar, and mm, next.
What are T.S. Eliot's view in mythology?
T.S. Eliot's view in mythology. T.S. Eliot think mythology as thematic element in literature, and in mythology, it a framework with through uh, 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 T.S. Will you think that mythology is not just ancient story but a living tradition? And with mythology, we can tell modern people how to live. give text about the wasteland. Thank you.